Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons continue to work on through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, my lessons now turn to question 3A, exercise 3, and here we are required to compose a short melody for trombone. We are required to modulate from the major to the subdominant major key. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find the full lesson there, and you'll find the links to this lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you'll find sample examples of this lesson where I show you how to work through this exercise just as if I was sitting right next to you. Everything you need to understand to successfully complete this question can be found in my Harmony and Composition textbook, and this is available from Amazon, and you can find the links to this in the cards and in the description box below. And everything that you need can be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need right there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. And so although there are 4 beats in a bar, we're going to feel as if we're implying a alla breve, a 2-2, a duple time effect. So we can feel that left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we have an upbeat here, we have an anacrusis of 1 beat, so we'd need to bear that in mind, and that's going to be reflected at our sort of halfway cadence point, and then it's also going to be reflected in the structure of each new phrase. So we'll begin with the same opening, D, F sharp. However, now we don't want to go so why don't we turn it upside down? This is another thing that we can do. Sequences work well where we move little phrases up and down, or we can invert them as well, and I think that might work nicely here. Dum dum dum, because we're already in a chord 1 working our way up the arpeggio. A, G, F. So now here, actually, let's think, where are we heading? I think I've ended up in the right place, actually, because we need to end on a chord 5 here, don't we? Because this is our halfway point. We don't want this to sound finished. So a chord 5 is an ACE. So we could have an E, we could have a long E. So if we go to an F sharp, I've got a sort of a sequence within this da, 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 within this stamping little feature. Da, 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 da. Now we could go to an A here. Let's see what happens. Da, da, da. And I'm using a chord 4 here. It's a nice primary triad, but it's perhaps just starting to sound out the move to this new key, isn't it? However, I don't like this here because it's a 1, 3, 5, 7, and even though it's a minor 7th, it's still an awkward interval. So I think this stamping down to the A has perhaps had its time, and so let's think we'll use another part of the chord 5. Da, da. That's a bit nicer then, isn't it? Let's see if we can have a bit of a, this is going up, let's have a little bit of a downwards, 8 to 7. Now really the 7th should rise, but I'm going to delay 7 till the end. I think I can get away with that in a scale passage. Da, da, da. Da, da. That's supposed to be an F sharp. Da, ba, da, ba, da. Well, we definitely need a cadence point, so actually that will lead us nicely to a chord 5, D, G, and just finish on a long note. Give these chaps a bit of a break.